Are you tired of endless diets and feeling stuck on your weight loss journey? Do you dream of a healthier, more energetic you, but feel overwhelmed by where to start? This is your moment to transform. Welcome, health enthusiasts, wellness seekers, and anyone ready to shed excess weight and embrace a vibrant life. We understand the challenges, the frustrations, and the desire for real, sustainable change. This video isn't about quick fixes. It's about empowering you with simple, natural habits that lead to incredible, lasting results. Nutrition is the cornerstone of healthy weight loss. It's not about deprivation, but about nourishing your body with delicious, whole foods. Focus on lean proteins, abundant vegetables, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support metabolism and curb cravings. Mindful eating, savoring each bite and listening to your body's hunger cues, can revolutionize your relationship with food. You don't need to spend hours in the gym to see results. Find activities you genuinely enjoy. Whether it's brisk walking, dancing, cycling, or strength training, consistency is far more important than intensity. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity most days of the week. Movement boosts your metabolism, burns fat, and significantly improves your mood and energy levels. Start small, celebrate every step, and build momentum. Your mind is your most powerful tool in this journey. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations and celebrate every small victory along the way. Patience and persistence are vital. There will be good days and challenging days, but remember that every step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Embrace this journey with self-compassion and resilience. A healthy metabolism is crucial for efficient fat burning and sustained energy. Many factors influence it, including diet, exercise, and even sleep. You can naturally optimize your metabolism to work for you. Incorporating certain foods and natural supplements can give your body the extra boost it needs. We've curated a selection of natural metabolism boosters designed to support your body's fat-burning potential. They are a fantastic complement to your healthy habits. You have the power within you to achieve your weight loss goals and live a life full of energy and vitality. Start implementing these simple habits today, one step at a time. You are capable, you are strong, and you deserve to feel amazing. Ready to accelerate your progress and discover natural ways to boost your metabolism? Click the link in the description below to explore our specially formulated natural metabolism boosters. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more empowering content, and share your journey in the comments. Let's build a healthier, happier community together.